This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. You have to move in two directions to get the corn. This is going to be tricky. Help the harvester pick the right direction. Let's test out here what we have. So I'm just going to hit step. And that's our first block, east. Okay. Step. And that's our first block. We go east again. And now I'm going to hit step. Whoa, wait a minute. I think this is making us hit a wall. Let's run the whole thing. Quapow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first test out. If I take away these two blocks, do I still hit a wall? And this is a great way to approach debugging, is to kind of take stuff out and test. You can always be wrong in coding, it's fine. Okay, well that looks good, so north must be wrong. Well then, let me just try getting rid of north entirely and putting this pick. Uh-oh, we're not at the corn yet though. Oh, wait a minute. So I'm using 4 blocks, but I can use up to 5. Well, the corn is south, so what if I, before I try to pick that corn, move south and then pick? Let's test this out. Oh. Boom. Woohoo! We did it. That was tricky. Onward.